I love a car show, and I recently went to this supercar event that had all of the best cars on the planet. What's interesting about this particular event is they give you access to a runway, meaning you can go flat out in your supercar. I took my missus with me. Ready? Watch him go, look.
Here goes.
And my little boy Kai.
Oh my god.
And we had an amazing day out. Now admittedly, I had the cheapest car of the lot, but if anything, that made my day even more exciting. Now if you want to see all of the best cars in the world doing launches up a runway, along with me attempting some runs in my high mileage R-Tronic R8, then make sure you stick around. Also watch the video to the end to find out which car got the fastest top speed of the day.
Guys, I was not planning to film a video today, but I am currently experiencing probably one of the best experiences I've ever had whilst being involved with the car scene. I'm sat on a runway. Look at the cars. Check this out. There is so many cars. I've got my boy Kai in the passenger seat. We're in the R8. The cars in front of us are all hypercars, and we're in an old Gen 1 R8 at the end of the parade lap. So we're going to be heading out now with all the cars. I've got my cameras. I'm literally just going to throw the cameras in the window. Last minute, off the cuff video, but I'm at Supercar Fest 2024.
Let's just quickly go through the layout of the track. So the start line is here. You start it off with one short launch, and we go around the bend for a full speed run on the main airstrip. And the idea is, the car that gets the highest top speed on the main strip wins its place as the fastest car of the day. Then once you're at the end of the airstrip, all of the cars gather up before we're given our cue to head back down to the start line. Let's now do the first run in the R8.
So we're about to head up the runway anytime now. There's a Ferrari F40 to my left. Let me get these cameras fired up. That's it, we've got cameras lined up now. Got a GoPro in the window. So what we're going to be doing is we're heading up the runway with all the hypercars, and then we're going to end up at the bottom end of the runway itself. Honestly, I'm not going to say some of the best cars in the world. I'd say probably all of the best cars on the planet are parked right in front of me right now. So just sit tight, guys. Like I say, it's a completely unplanned video. I didn't even mean to do this. I'm out today with Kai, got the cameras here, and yeah, I just didn't plan to do a video. So sit tight. I'll show you some amazing hypercars shortly. That's the Ferrari F40 that just started.
Come on.
It's amazing, Kai, isn't it?
Yeah.
Amazing. That's it. So these four are going in front of us now, and then we're going to be the last one. We've literally got the cheapest car here.
Cheapest car.
Be even cheaper for the person that wins it, potentially for free. Imagine winning this car for free.
That would be a complete dream. Now we've got the F40.
F40.
Next.
What a dream, seeing F40 just there like that. That is unreal. Oh!
What?
You know what I've done wrong there?
You didn't gear change.
BMW's the other way round. BMW do it the right way around. I've been driving the BMW. Floor it!
Stop it!
Let it change gear. Keep flooring it. Floor it. Windows up.
Woohoo!
Wow, that was fast.
Oh my god. Can we ask the owner of the Bugatti Divo if I can see it?
Yeah.
Or the Veyron. I mean the Chiron. Yeah, the Veyron. Can we see the Veyron?
Yes. Of course.
I really want to see the
This
Veyron.
is unbelievable. Look at this.
What's the closest Bugatti near us?
We'll have a look, yeah? Aston Martin Valkyrie, look at that.
I really want to see Bugatti. Actually, can we also see the F40?
Everything, guys. Let's go. Watch your door on that Aston Martin, yeah? Watch your door. Need gentle, very, very gentle. These have got big doors. I think you should be alright, but make sure, yeah? Look at the lineup. Absolutely amazing. The R8 is looking good, don't get me wrong. It might be the cheapest car here, but that is still looking good. A cheap, high mileage Audi R8. Obviously you can win that car for completely nothing, providing you're a subscriber to the channel, of course. I'll link Planet of Dreams in the description below, but that there is an absolute dream for me. There's one there and there's one over there as well. Look at the carbon on this. Look, come check this out. Full carbon. Look at this car. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I don't even know where to look. Don't know where to look. It is incredible here. So we've apparently got to jump back in our cars now. So gonna head back over to the event and see how the day unfolds. Revelto. Look at the back end of that car. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Wow. Look at the doors. Look at the doors. Oh, this is the one I went out with. You took me out for a drive in it at the Shrine years ago. We done the video. I don't know if you remember.
I can remember.
Remember the video, yeah? Yeah, that's it. Good to see you again. Wow. Right. I done a video with that guy. He took me out for a passenger ride on my birthday many, many years ago. If I remember, I will link the video in the description below, or just go and find it because it's such cool videos. So anyway, jumping back in the R8 now. Gonna get that camera fired back up, and we're gonna do a parade lap now. Not parade lap, a parade drive down to back down to the start line. But yeah, what an event! What an event! Supercar Fest at Sidewell Aerodrome in Northampton. Get the engine fired up. Quick. So this is it, we're looping back round again.
Let's see if
For another lap. For another run even. What's that?
Let's see if we can find Mum. This crowd.
She should be here somewhere. Not the best car to launch. These gearboxes are so slack. But we'll give it a go. We will give it a go. This is when you want a dual clutch gearbox, because you can just flat the throttle, ping it off the line, and flat it through the gears. No problem at all. These old Artronics, they're good, don't get me wrong. They're right to daily drive, but doing stuff like this, you've got to be gentle with them. You've got to be really gentle. It's Devo there, heading back to the start line. So we're going to be heading back out again. Hopefully this time I won't use a BMW shifter. Jump back in the car, Kai. Hopefully this time, yeah, I won't use the BMW method of shifting gears, because Audis are plus to go up, whereas BMWs are, I'll say plus to go up, forward to go up, whereas BMWs are the other way, which I think this is more natural. I think that's a better way to upshift, because that's kind of the way that the force is going, you know. But yeah, Audi done it that way, BMW done it the other way. That's my excuse for not changing gear properly anyway, but hopefully this time I'll get it right.
What you want is a car with really good acceleration and launch.
Yeah, you do.
Because
Bugatti Chiron, that's perfect for that, isn't it?
yeah.
No, we're not doing a race, one at a time. Oh, he's put it in reverse. Oh, bless him, that's annoying. He accidentally put it in reverse, that's annoying.
Are you gonna do that?
No, I'm definitely not going to do that.
What, like the launch?
I'm just going to... Wait for the guy, wait for
Just the gear this time.
I'll try not to. There we go, let it change, that's it. That was nice, wasn't it?
That was amazing.
Right, we're going to go flat it now, Kai, yeah?
Flat it.
Windows are up,
Windows are up.
all the way.
We
Let it
are.
change gear, that's it.
There we
Be
go.
gentle with the R8, I don't want to break it because it ain't mine. It's one of someone watching this video. 100 miles an hour, 100 miles an hour.
100. We have
3, 2, that'll do. Don't want to kill the brakes.
Not gonna do that.
Listen to that wind. And we're back at the end of the runway with all the hypercars. Carbon fibre everywhere, supercars, I'll say supercars, hypercars everywhere. And little cheap Audi R8. Isn't it cool that we've managed to squeeze in as part of this? We've actually managed to get involved. Like,
How many could go see the Jeffo? Just there.
shout out to Chiro, yeah.
Let's go, yeah.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
How's it going, man? You alright? Yeah, good, good. It's amazing, isn't it? Unbelievable. What's that, Kai? It's a bit muddy there. What's your favourite kite? Is that your favourite?
Yeah, probably.
You seem to really like that.
Let's see the Veyron.
Come on then. Sorry guys if the mic's a bit windy. We are stood on an airfield. That there is like, I don't know what to say. All right, mate. What? Do you see the wind just come up? I would so love to have one of these cars. Listen to that. We're back in. Seatbelt on, yeah? Talk button on. Them Valkyries, they're something else.
There's definitely
CCR, took the plate as well.
look at that wing.
CCX. Let them lot go first.
Then up.
Save the best till last, isn't it?
Save the cheapest, two lots.
What's that?
Save the cheapest, two lots.
Exactly. Yeah? Cheers, mate.
Let's see if we can beat the Porsche.
Listen to that. Sounds so good.
Sounds good.
What a lovely sounding car this is. Look at all the cars over there.
Wow.
What a lineup, look. Let's get up next to him. Look at this. Look at that. The most surreal looking car that is. I really like that.
I like the Senna.
Senna's amazing. I don't even know. I couldn't pick one.
I would pick the Senna.
Senna, yeah. Each one is just an absolute work of art. So we are going again in the R8. Third time lucky. Third run of the day.
No way, there's a bit.
I wonder if I turn ESP off. Oh, sorry.
What will that do?
Sorry. Oh my god.
Go.
Yeah, go. Come on, car.
What?
That was a good one, wasn't it?
Yeah. Was that an Aventador?
Yeah, that was a serious launch, wasn't it? Stereo keeps turning on.
Do you think he's like a pro racer or something?
Yeah. Feels fast, doesn't it?
That was a he's definitely a pro racer. He can't just do that.
Nah, that was a serious launch. So guys, that is the end of our trip to Supercar Fest. That's the third and final run that we're going to be doing today. I just wanted to bring you lot on the journey, and we're just enjoying ourselves. A little day out, having fun, and we're in the R8. So yeah, I'll link Planet Dreams in the description below for anyone who wants to enter for their chance to win this car for completely free. And we're announcing the winner at some point soon. I'm not too sure what day. It's still a few more bits to do on the car before we can give it away. But yeah, what an event, Supercar Fest. It's on every year. I'm definitely going to be back here next year. Chiro petrolheads.club works with the guys at Supercar Fest as well, and they just make such a good event. So we're going to jump out, have a look at some more cars, continue enjoying the rest of our day. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hit like if you like this video, hit subscribe if you're new. Anything else to say, Kai? I think that's everything, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've had a good day so far, yeah?
Yep.
I'll see you in the next one, guys.
So the fastest car of the day was the all-new Lotus Evija. It's an all-electric 2,000 horsepower hypercar with a value of over $2 million. The top speed the car done that day was over 210 miles per hour. Here's a little clip of one of its runs. And to put that into perspective, the fastest speed that I got in the R8 was about 135 miles per hour. I will without a doubt be visiting Supercar Fest again next year.